Do this in secret. And then watch how the universe starts opening doors for you. Doors that were always shut before. Every person wants to do something big in life, something that gives them a unique identity. But most people stay tangled in their own noise, fears, and doubts. And what truly matters, the real secret, is doing it in silence. Without making noise, without telling the world, just lighting a fire within yourself and working consistently. That's the real secret of those who change the world, who turn the impossible into possible. When you start working silently on something big, the universe begins to open doors one by one for you. Those who say, "Luck isn't on my side," they're often the ones who haven't given their luck a real chance. The universe recognizes those who are genuinely working from the heart, without any show-off. When you rise above the need to display and make a promise to yourself that you'll do something extraordinary, and then start acting on it, that's when the entire universe aligns in your favor. True strength is born when you silence everything around you and begin talking to yourself. When you keep the promises you make to yourself every day, every night. When you keep going, without telling, without stopping, without tiring. No one will clap for you. No one will applaud you. But in that darkness, in that silence, your real transformation will take place. People often ask, does the universe really help us? The answer is simple. Yes, but only when you begin to prove yourself. When you rise above excuses. When you wake up early, stay up late, and stand up for your own dreams. When you dive into stillness and go deep, that's when your energy starts reaching the universe. And then the paths begin to open, like they were meant just for you. Every morning when you open your eyes, ask yourself, will I do something today, silently, that will change my future tomorrow? And if your answer is yes, know that you're on the right path. Today's world is busy making noise, social media, fake success, show off. But the real players, they don't talk much. They keep improving silently. And when the time comes, their silence turns into a roar. So if you really want to change your life, silence everything. Your doubts, your fears, the people who hold you back, and the habits that pull you down. And then just do one thing. Work consistently, every day, every hour, every moment on what matters to you. Believe in yourself, because when you do, the universe will be forced to walk with you. Remember, everything in the universe is energy. And when you clear your own energy of doubt, laziness, ego, and comparison, your vibration changes. And this new vibration sends a message to the universe. I'm ready? Show me the way. And believe me, the way will appear. The right people will come into your life. The right opportunities will knock at your door. But this only happens when you act silently. When you listen more than you speak. When you believe more in doing than in showing. Just try this. The next time a dream is born in your heart, don't tell anyone. Hold it close to your chest. Breathe life into it. Water it daily with hard work and time. And when that dream becomes reality, the world will come asking, "What did you do?" And at that moment, just smile. Because you did it in silence. Because you worked, not for applause, but for transformation. That is the real way. Do it silently, and then watch how the universe effortlessly starts opening doors just for you. No one will give you a certificate. No one will hand you a trophy. But the sense of pride that will rise within you, that will be greater than any award. Every great achievement starts with a quiet idea. That idea which is never shared, but keeps echoing in your heart until one day it takes shape. So today, if you are alone, if you have no support, if you feel broken, smile. Because this is the very moment when the universe listens to you the most. This is the silence where change begins. Don't seek validation, approval, or applause. Just give yourself time, understand yourself, and do something every day that makes you proud of who you are becoming. And then, the universe will begin creating paths you never even imagined. Sometimes, the universe just wants one thing from you, that you trust it, without speaking, that you walk with it, without noise. And if you do this, believe me, the paths will open, the opportunities will come, the people will arrive, and life will start improving, effortlessly. Just make one promise to yourself, right now, in this moment, that you will act in silence, daily, relentlessly, until the universe bows down to your consistency. Because this universe opens its doors only for those who prove themselves without making a sound. Are you ready? If yes, then stop talking and start doing. And then watch how the universe silently begins to open doors just for you. And when the universe begins to open those doors, don't stop. Don't relax thinking the work is done. That's where most people fail. They think, now I've made it. That moment is not the destination. It's just the beginning of greater responsibilities, greater self-discipline, and deeper silence. Because what the universe gives you, it can also take back. And the only thing that keeps it flowing in your favor is humble consistency. You see, the universe is not impressed by flashes of brilliance or occasional hustle. It's impressed by devotion, that quiet, stubborn, daily commitment to your dream. No matter how you feel, no matter who supports you or doesn't, no matter if the results show up today or years later. That's the energy the universe bows to. There will be days you'll feel invisible. Days when no one notices your efforts. Days when you question if any of this is working. And those are the most critical moments. Because if you keep going then, if you continue silently, without any need for applause, that's when the shift happens. That's when the universe whispers back, now you're ready. Every door that looks closed from the outside has a key, but that key isn't external. It's within you. It's your patience, your mindset, your ability to stay quiet while the noise around you demands your attention. It's your power to stay focused when the world tries to distract you with instant success and overnight fame. The truth is, there's no shortcut. But there is a secret, and that secret is the silent doing. Don't tell people what you're building. Let them see it when it's done. Because when you talk too soon, you leak your energy. When you boast before the bloom, you kill the root. Let your results speak for you. Let your peace become your power. And let your silence shape your story. When you do things in secret, your confidence builds from within. You stop relying on opinions. You stop waiting for people to validate your journey. You become self-fueled. That's when you begin to attract things that align with your deeper purpose. Not just shiny objects, but meaningful opportunities. Right people, right timing, the right version of you. Most people spend their lives trying to be seen. But the wise ones? They spend their lives becoming. They know the real work is invisible. The real change happens when no one is watching, when it's just you and your soul, locked in commitment. And the best part? When the universe finally reveals the results of your silent work. It will be so powerful, so undeniable, that the world won't just see your success, they'll feel your energy. Because success achieved in silence carries a different frequency. It's not loud, it's magnetic. It doesn't need attention. It attracts it naturally. So keep going. Don't look for signs outside. Look within. Your quiet discipline is the sign. Your inner peace is the confirmation. And your unstoppable consistency is the path. There is no magic outside you. The magic is what happens when you show up every day without an audience and still give your best. The greatest transformations in life don't happen in the spotlight. They happen in the silence before dawn. In those moments when you're tired, but you keep going. In the decision to choose growth over comfort. That's where the universe works with you because it sees that you are serious. You don't have to shout to the world. You don't need to prove yourself to anyone. Prove it to yourself. Every day. Quietly. And one day, you'll wake up in the middle of your dream life, not because you forced it, but because you flowed with faith, in silence. So take this moment now and breathe. Feel that silent power rising inside you, not of noise, not of pride, but of quiet strength. A promise to yourself. From today, I don't chase attention. I chase alignment. I don't show off. I show up. And I don't wait for the universe to work for me. I work so deeply, so silently, that the universe has no choice but to open every single door in my path. That's your truth now. That's your power. So walk ahead, in silence, and watch how everything begins to move with you, effortlessly.